Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are diving into Ashtanga Sun Salutation A. We'll start with the normal version to get our body moving, followed by a beginner friendly modifications to ensure everyone can join in. Sun salutations offer a wealth of benefits such as improved flexibility, boosts cardiovascular health, reduces stress and anxiety, aids in digestion, and much more. This routine is especially beneficial for those dealing with back pain, stiffness, or high level stress, as it encourages mobility, relaxation, and a sense of well being. We'll kick off with the normal flow for those who are familiar with the sequence. Then I will guide you through modifications for beginners to make it accessible for everyone. Ready to flow with me? Let's get started. To start with, keep your legs together, but if you're not comfortable, you can also keep your legs just a little bit away from each other. Now from there, roll your shoulders all the way back, lift your chest up, look forward in front of you, tuck your tailbone in Samasthiti. Inhale from there, take your hands up. Look up towards your thumbs. As you next exhale, take a deep forward bend. Bring your hands now all the way down to the ground and the head towards the knees. Inhale to look halfway up. Exhale to take your legs back into the high plank and then into the chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog to lift your upper body and your knees up. Exhale and push your hips back. Coming into the downward facing dog, we are here for 5 deep Ujjayi breaths. Look towards your knees or the navel. Inhale, then bring your both legs in between your palms. Exhale for a deep forward bend again. Inhale to look all the way up, standing straight. Exhale and Samasthiti. Relax. Now we'll say the same thing with the modifications. Inhale, take your hands up, look up towards your thumbs. Exhale into the forward bend. Now, if you're not comfortable here, you can place your hands to your legs, slightly bend your knees, and keep your spine straight. Do not round your spine, keep it relaxed and allow the upper body to go down. Inhale, then halfway look up. Exhale into the high plank. Take your both legs back. Now from there, inhale, drop your knees and then very slowly go down to the belly. Roll the shoulders out. Inhale to lift just the upper body up. Now lifting your knees up is optional. If you're comfortable, you can lift your knees. That will be a little bit more intense back bend. Exhale into the downward facing dog. Feel free to keep your knees bent and then begin to pedal for a while. If your heels are touching the mat, you can hold it here. If not, just continue with the pedaling for a while. Inhale, then bring your both legs in between your palms again. Exhale, deep forward bend. Inhale, come all the way up, standing straight. Exhale, Samasthiti.